Wildfire season started in Jackson and Josephine counties in May. The fire danger in southern Oregon has been on the low to medium range, but the Oregon Department of Forestry says that'll change soon with these hot temperatures. NBC5's Madison LaBerge is live in studio with more. Madison.
With firework tents opening for business Tuesday and temperatures nearing 100 degrees this week, ODF officials are concerned about fire danger. Oregon Department of Forestry's Brian Ballou says recent rain and new plant growth has been good for the area, for now.
In July, it's going to all turn brown. It's going to be available for fuel, but for the next week, 10 days, things are looking pretty good. Despite a hot start to the week, the fire danger is still low, but that can change in the next week. We're always watching out for fireworks-caused fires. They always happen.
Ballou says people are usually careful with fireworks and warns there are big consequences if you aren't.
If you cause a wildfire, you pay for it. So maybe that's an added incentive to not be careless with fireworks.
Ballou says this also goes for parents of children that cause wildfires. They'll be held financially responsible. In order to safely use fireworks this year, firefighters tell us to have a bucket of water on hand, the ability to call 911, and a clear area with no grass or brush to set them off. Live in studio, Madison LaBerge, NBC5 News.